Beloved, I pray that you may prosper in all things and be in health, just as your soul prospers. That's 3 John 1 to 2. And as Maya Angelou said, nothing can dim the light which shines from within. Hey, beautiful souls. Today I'm letting you in on a little secret from the Caribbean for gorgeous, glowing skin, herbal, facial, steaming. Trust me, this is self-care at its sunniest. Imagine the lush hills and turquoise waters of the islands, but in your own bathroom. Caribbean women have used herbal face steams for generations, not just for beauty, but for their spirit too. Let's get into it. First, why steam? Steaming opens up your pores, helps clear out impurities, and boosts circulation. But when you add Caribbean herbs, you're taking it to the next level. Think lemongrass, mint, hibiscus, and bay leaves. These aren't just pretty, they're loaded with antioxidants and natural oils that love your skin right back. Ready to try it? Grab a bowl, pour in boiling water, and sprinkle in a handful of fresh or dried herbs. Cover your head with a towel, lean over the bowl, and let the steam work its magic for about 5 to 10 minutes. Breathe deep. The aroma alone is an instant mood boost. While you're steaming, let your thoughts drift to sun-warmed beaches and gentle breezes. This is your time. Afterward, splash your face with cool water and pat dry. You'll feel refreshed, and your skin will thank you with a natural, healthy glow. Quick tip. Always check for any allergies first, and if you're pregnant or have sensitive skin, talk with your doctor before trying new herbs. Self-care should always be safe care. In the Caribbean, beauty is about joy and connection to yourself and to nature. So, light a candle, play some happy tunes, and let this herbal steam be your mini vacation. Remember, you're glowing from the inside out. Stay radiant, stay blessed, and keep shining bright. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more soul-nourishing self-care tips.